Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Subhasmita Karo. Today's topic is what are the pros and cons of organic farming method and what is my view regarding the organic farming methods. So organic farming method is basically a set of agriculture practices which majorly use the naturally available resources and avoid any kind of chemical or synthetical fertilizers. So here are some pros of organic farming method. The organic farming method generally promote the soil health, biodiversity and conserve the natural resources. It emphasizes the use of natural fertilizers, crop rotation and biological pest control method which reduces the pollution, enhance the water quality and support the wildlife habitats. So the next advantage is it is less costlier than other conventional method, so it can be adopted by small scale farmers. The another advantage is it enhances the soil fertility status because the organic farming method include such practices like the mulching, vermicomposting, composting. It enhances the microbial status in the soil and also enhances the soil productivity. The last advantage is in organic farming method the farmer can have the good income source because in nowadays the consumers are more focusing on organically produced food rather than chemical produced food because the organic produced foods having less pesticide residue which could be beneficial for the human health. The con of organic farming method is that it gives lesser yield rather than the conventional farming method. So in my opinion, we should be promoting the organic farming method because it is environmental friendly and sustainable agriculture system. Also, it supports the biodiversity and it is less harmful for human consumption. Thank you.